Hello guys, good evening. If you can see this light, this is the historic bridge here in Europe. This bridge is the longest tension bridge here in Scandinavia, and this bridge is connecting the Danish and the English. I only seen this bridge in National Geographic Channel during building, and now I am about to cross under this bridge. Later we can see the bridge in close-up, and I wish one of this day I can cross on the top of this. Hello guys, once again we are here now approaching with this bridge. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the longest tension bridge here in Europe, connecting two countries. From this side is the Danish side, and the other side is the English side, or the Netherlands. In a few minutes we are about to cross under this historic bridge. We are about to cross now with this historic bridge. Connecting two countries, the Danish, Denmark, or the Netherlands on the other side. Not lucky because we made to cross here night time. We are now here under this historic bridge.